Hello everyone, welcome back to the Enterprise Java series. In this session, we will first see the basic difference between Java servlets and the JSP, Java server page. So as we all know, servlets and JSP, these are the two Java technology that are used for web development. Basically, Java provides these two so that we can develop a web applications. But there are some differences between the servlets and the JSP. The first and the most important difference between servlet and JSP is your servlets are pure Java classes, whereas JSP is not a pure Java classes. What does it mean? In servlets, we will write a code using a Java language. We are not able to write a HTML or any predefined tags directly in the servlet. But in case of JSP, right, we can include a Java code into the JSP tags. That means JSP has a predefined tags. Within these tags, we will write a Java code. This is the most important difference between servlets and JSP. Since as the servlet are pure Java classes, they are execute faster. The servlet file extension is .java and the JSP file extension is .jsp. That means JSP first converted into the servlet. Why? Because in case of Java, what happened in case of Java, the source code, that is your .java file, is given to the Java compiler Java C. The Java C will generate a byte code, that is your class file. That means the class file is generated using a .java class. But in case of JSP, the file extension is your .jsp. Therefore, we are not the interpreter or the compiler is not able to compile this .jsp file. So first this JSP file will be converted into servlet and then afterwards it execute, and hence they are slower than the servlet. Therefore JSP is slower than the servlet. Why? Because .jsp file first will be converted into .servlet, that means .java file. This is the second difference between servlet and JSP. Now servlet supports the various protocol HTTP, FTP, SMTP. There are many protocols that is supported by the servlet, but in case of JSP we only use HTTP. These are the protocols that are used for communication between the two or more machines. So we can communicate in servlets, we can communicate using a HTTP, FTP and SMTP. Others, there are other protocol that we can also use in servlet, but in case of JSP, right, only the standard HTTP protocol is used for communication between the two or more machines. Then next advantage, since servlets are purely written in Java, there are no predefined tags, therefore they are portable. Servlets are portable. JSP are not portable. Why? Because they are not purely written in Java. JSP tags are also used in the JSP file. Therefore, they are not portable. Servlet uses the concept of multi-threading for its execution. That means when the client sends the request to the servlet will create a individual or a single thread for handling the request. Servlet does not create a process for executing the client request. But in case of JSP, for each request, JSP engine will create a separate process. It won't create a thread for each request. Therefore, this is one of the reason, this is also one of the reason the JSP is slower than the servlet. Servlet provides the static presentation, right, and JSP provide a dynamic. That means we can change the layout or the working of the JSP file at runtime. So these are the basic difference between JSP and